Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to free up space without removing the apps. So first of all, let's open the settings. And here in this left section, scroll down and find the apps. So here in the right section right now, we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on your device. And what I highly recommend to do is to remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. So removing them will release some memory. All you have to do is to open the specific app, then go to storage. And here we've got this cache section. So tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. I do not recommend tapping on clear all data because unless you wish to make the app brand new. So just tap on clear cache and tap on OK and your device will immediately remove it. So I highly recommend to go through all of those apps and remove cache. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to localize the cleaner. For sure you've got this app because it is provided by the developer, so just find it and then open it. And here what you can do is to first of all perform a quick cleaning, a soft cleaning, let's say. It will be at the top and simply tap on clean. Your device will remove different cache, different files, etc., residuals and all of that kind of things. Moreover, I highly recommend to go to the deep clean, just tap on clear, and here your device will show you what you can remove. So for example, deleted videos which are currently in the trash bin, uninstall apps, but we are trying to avoid this option, clear app data and delete photos. Another thing which I highly recommend also to do is to check your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it. So what you have to do is to simply localize the file manager. It doesn't matter if you're using the one which is provided by the developer or on any kind of third-party file manager. Just open it and give all the permissions, of course. I mean, allow all. Sorry, for that I needed to add the permission. Just let me quickly do it and come back. And here we should have the section, the folder which is called downloads, and it should be somewhere here, for example in the internal storage. So just tap on internal storage here and then tap on downloads, and here just try to check the files which we've got saved here, because sometimes you will be able to remove some huge files, huge documents, etc. And as a last thing which I highly recommend to do is to perform the backup. And I will not show you this whole process because we've got a separate video of how to do it, and it is really detailed. So I will just explain the whole idea. Thanks to the backup, you will be able to save your photos and videos in a different place. So you will have the access to them if, for example, something is wrong with your device, or it has been stolen, or it is damaged, or whatever. You will still be able to access your gallery, I mean the photos and videos. And thanks to it, you will also be able to remove them from the internal storage of your device. So you will not need to keep them in the internal storage, and thanks to it you will be able to release some memory. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.